Last November, a sailor in the Sasebo community was charged with the hazing death of another sailor. Luckily, this case is the creation of CFAS JAGs to teach sailors and students from E.J. King High School about the military judicial system.
What the mock trial was about was basically to show, the community and the Japanese people that were here witnessing just what an American trial can look like and sound like and be like.
Sailors and students met for the past year to develop and practice this case to perform in front of an audience.
We learned a little bit about civilian law, but a lot about the military law and the system. The students started off with a small case, and then we built it into a larger case, and we decided at the end of the year it will culminate in a mock court-martial.
The students volunteered to be part of the trial, knowing they would have to sacrifice their days after school and weekends to perfect their performance. Through this process, they were able to learn valuable lessons.
If I was to calculate my growth from the time when I actually started this and from the time I am now, I would say that I've come an extremely long way. There's something that about cases like this, you can't just rely on yourself. It's not just something where you can write a statement for another person to deliver. You have to rely on other people. It's all about teamwork.
Not only did mock trial help teach students and develop their personal skills, it taught sailors about the military legal system.
I think that this helps sailors because it can show them, what it looks like, what it will be like, but it also helps give them an example of this is where you're going to be if you act up.
At the end of the day, the verdict doesn't matter, because the sailors, students, and community were all found guilty of learning. Seaman James Hunt, Fleet Activities, Sasebo, Japan.